Uber Eats does not publicly say that a low acceptance rate alone gets drivers deactivated. That's the part most drivers misunderstand, and it changes how you should work. By the end of this, you'll know what acceptance rate actually affects, what it doesn't, and how to use it to make more money instead of chasing bad orders. Here's the short answer. Acceptance rate is the percentage of delivery requests you accept out of the total sent to you. If Uber sends you 100 offers and you take 65, your acceptance rate is 65%. That number is easy to track, but it doesn't carry the same weight as your completion rate or customer rating. This is where drivers mix things up. If you decline low-paying orders, Uber usually keeps sending you new ones. That means a 20% acceptance rate doesn't automatically mean trouble. But other metrics can matter a lot more. First, know the difference. Acceptance rate is about what you reject. Completion rate is about what you cancel after accepting. Customer rating is based on delivery quality. If you accept too many bad orders and cancel later, that's worse than declining up front. That's why smart drivers are selective before tapping accept. Now, what does acceptance rate actually affect? 1. Order quality. Uber's system learns your habits. If you keep accepting $3 long-distance trips, it may keep feeding you similar offers. 2. Priority programs. In some cities, Uber offers rewards, tiers, or perks tied to activity levels. That can include acceptance behavior, but it varies by market. 3. Your hourly earnings. This is where it matters most. If you're accepting every order, but half of them pay badly, your gross earnings can look decent while your hourly profit drops after fuel, maintenance, and wait time. A lot of experienced drivers use a quick filter. Check 3 things before accepting. Pay amount. Distance. Restaurant speed. For example, an $8 order going 2 miles is usually stronger than a $9 order going 8 miles with a 20-minute wait. That's how drivers protect profit. If your acceptance rate is low and you're worried, here's what to do. Stay online during busy times like lunch and dinner rush. Position yourself near high-volume restaurants. Keep your app updated. Avoid canceling accepted orders unless necessary. And watch your customer rating more closely than acceptance rate. That's the real scoreboard. Quick recap. Acceptance rate matters for strategy, not survival. Completion rate and customer rating carry more risk. The goal isn't a perfect acceptance rate. It's profitable deliveries. Next step, track your last 20 orders and calculate which ones actually made money. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more driver breakdowns.